Good morning, students. In continuation of the improvement in food resources, we are going to discuss the revolutions associated with the food production. Okay, in our country, majorly we had a two significant revolution in agriculture as well as in the animal husbandry. Okay, one is the green revolution, another one is the white revolution. Green revolution means it is the bumper production of the food grains. It lead to the increased food grain production is called as the green revolution. White revolution means increased milk production. Production that is called as the white revolution. Other than that, blue revolution. Blue revolution means enhanced fish production is called as the blue revolution. Yellow revolution means increased oil production. How we can develop the oil? To develop the oil seeds. Okay, this is called as the yellow revolution. Then next one is the golden revolution. Increased pulse production is called as the golden revolution. Okay, the next one, improvement in the crop yields. Okay, how we are improve the crop yield? Majorly the crops are classified into two types. One is the food crops and then fodder crops. What do you mean by the food crops? Okay, the food crops include those crops that we eat to obtain the nutrients, that is called as the food crops. Okay, there are many types of food crops is there, such as the cereals, pulses, oil seeds, and then vegetable, fruits, and then spices. These are all the food crops. First one, cereals. Example, cereals which gives the carbohydrates for meeting the energy requirements of the body. Example, wheat, rice, maize, and then millets are the cereals. And then pulses. Pulses, the main important function of the pulses is it provides the nutrients such as a protein for us, and then where we can get the proteins. Example, pulses, gram, black gram, and then green gram. Example, etc. P, etc. And then next one is the oil seeds. Okay, oil seeds include the soya bean, groundnut, and then sesame oil, and then mustard, castor. These are all the oil seeds. Oil seeds. The main function of the oil seeds is the which provides thus oil, which is the good source of the fats. The next one is the vegetables, fruits, and then spices. Okay, these are all which gives the vitamins and minerals as well as the carbohydrate and then protein, fats, which is given by the vegetable, fruits, and spices. Okay, these are all the food crops. The next one is the fodder crops. Fodder crops which are raised as the food for the livestock, which is livestock. Example, maize, corn, bersim, oats, and then Sudan grass. These are all the examples of the fodder crops. So the next one, we know that already we studied in the 8th standard, rabi crops and then kharif crops. Okay, what is the photo period? Sometimes they will ask the question, what do you mean by the photo period? Photo period means for the growth and completion of their life cycle, different crops require different climatic condition, temperature of the surroundings, and duration of the sunlight received is called as the photo period. Okay, growth of plants and then flowering depend on the sunlight. So depending upon the season in which they are grown in the field, so they are mainly two types. We know that rabi crops and then kharif crops. What is the differentiate between the kharif crops and rabi crops? Kharif crops, they are mainly cultivated on the rainy season, and then it is cultivated on the monsoon, non-monsoon seasons. Okay, the crops grow in the hot and then wet conditions, and then rabi crops can grow in the cold and then nearly dry conditions. The crops are sown in the beginning of the rainy season in the month of the June, and then July is called as the kharif crops, and then rabi crops shown in the October and then November when monsoon is retreated. So the kharif crops are harvested during the September, October at the end of the monsoon, and then rabi crops harvested in the March and then April. Okay, so examples of the kharif crop: rice, maize, and then groundnut, soya bean, etc. These are all the kharif crops example. And then rabi crop example is the wheat, barley, gram, mustard, and then linseed, pea, etc. are the rabi crops example. Okay, thank you.